Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Marina from Marina Art Design, and here I'm sharing my journey of turning active effort into passive income. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make your own custom typography inside PowerPoint. I know you would like me to call it custom font, but font is something completely different. That is a computer program. The way letters look like, that is called typography, and that is what we're going to create today, unique typography. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be using fonts that are in public domain. If you go to any font website, make sure to select public domain in search results. Not just commercial usage allowed, but public domain open source, because for this usage that I'm going to show you here, it is important that you are using public domain open source fonts. It doesn't really matter which one you're going to use as a starting point, because we're going to edit them completely, but just make sure that you are using public domain open source. The link for this website that has in a search, so you can choose in a search results select public domain, is down below in description. Now keep also in mind that not all versions of the font are in public domain, so make sure that you are using correct ones. For example, the one I'm going to use is a free font version from 2018, and that version is an open source public domain font. 3 new versions that came after that version, so 2019 Pro version, they are not public domain, so you cannot use them for this. If you have Inkscape, Illustrator, Affinity Designer, you can do everything directly in those programs. So in this video, I just wanted to show how you can create custom lettering if you only have PowerPoint and also if you have internet. So that is what we're going to focus here. So first step would be for you to create new PowerPoint presentation and type all the letters that you need or want, or if you want to create a full set, type everything. So type all the letters, and also you can include numbers as well. Now once you have this, once you have a slide with everything that you need, go to File in the upper left corner, go to Export, click on Export, click on Change File Type, Save as another file type, and click on Save As. So once you do this, you're going to have a drop menu, and on that drop menu select SVG and click OK. Now once you exported that slide with all the letters and numbers as SVG, go to this website here. The link will be down below in description. Find your file, this one here, click on it and click Open, and click on this green button, Vectorize Text. Once it is finished, you will see here Save File. Click on Save File and you can download your new SVG file. Left click on that file, hold your mouse, and just look for the PowerPoint file that you have open and just drop it. You can also use insert feature if you want, but this was the fastest way to get that SVG file into the PowerPoint presentation onto the empty slide. So once you have this is an SVG file. Once you have this on the slide, click on Convert to Shape. It will be under Graphics Format menu. So click on Convert to Shape, and now go to Shape Format, Group, and Ungroup. So if you did everything correctly, you will see that every letter is now a unique shape. If you want, you have this white background, you can remove that and delete. Now I'm going to zoom in on the letter A. I'm going to right click with the mouse on it, and I'm going to have this menu, and I'm going to have edit points. I'm going to click on that, and now you see you can move all the points, you can change all the letters, you can play around, you can make them curvy, You can do whatever you want with these letters now. You can now completely customize each letter. Let's see. You see, you can now play around with the letters, and that is how you create custom lettering. Now you have option number 1 is to have everything on one slide so you can see what you are doing with the letters, or you have version number 2 is where you move each letter to individual slide and then you can play around with it. So you can do this and all kinds of modifications. Let's undo. Let's go back to this one. So let's say this is your average maze book cover. So we have these letters here already converted into graphics. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in on this letter here, M, and I'm going to change it just a little bit. I'm going to do this and this to the M. To the A, I'm going to rotate a bit, make it larger. For the Z, let's see what can I do to Z. I can move the points here and do it something like this. Maze. E, I can do something like this to the maze. And I believe you see where I'm getting at. Now you can create something completely unique when it comes to your book title. You can change all the letters how you want them to look like. Of course, you will change everything. For example, let's do this. Let's change the background. Let's move it to the back. We can also add some shade because this is now shape. So select everything, go to shape format, go to shape effects, and here under shadow select this one, inner. You see we already have that. I didn't select K. Let's do that for K as well. So we have this like a 3D illusion. Let's see what else can I do. Let's maybe see this one. Let's create outline as well. White outline, white one, and let's make it thicker. And I'm going to change the shadow just a little bit to make it more visible. Distance, that's too much. This one. So you can play with the settings here. Let's see what did we do. Okay, so I believe this is much better than what we had when we started with the book cover. So that is how you can create custom lettering for your I don't know, maybe book cover, your printables, or whatever you want. All you have to do is make sure that you have a slide with all the letters that you want, save them as SVG, upload them to that website to convert them to objects or paths, put that SVG back into the PowerPoint, and then you can move them around, you can shape them any way you want. Click on the points. Each point, if you right click, it can be smooth, it can be straight, it can be a corner point. So you can also add points, you can delete points. So everything that somebody else would do inside Inkscape or Illustrator. You see? What a weird S this is. Okay. This presentation, let me show you. This presentation where everything is already extracted with this public domain font, and each slide is already available for you if you purchased my PowerPoint add-in, the shuffler. It's already available for you, so it's here. All you have to do is go back to your Gumroad account, go to library, and you can download this presentation so you can start changing and making your custom letters. And also, let me just show you. This is the feature everyone loves. Where is the shuffler? Random color. And also let's swap them all. This is how you can create custom password, by shuffling all the letters as well. Okay, that's it. I hope this was a short quick video to demonstrate how you can create custom lettering inside PowerPoint without any stress. Okay, so this is no longer Y, but that's it. Thank you very much. If you have more questions, ask me down below. I hope everything was clear. The only thing that you need to make sure that the image inside PowerPoint is SVG image, so vector, and then you can do whatever you want to that object, to that image, whatever it is. Thank you. Until next video, I'll see you down below in the comments. Bye.